Hello and welcome back to Chelsea and a happy Bonfire night, or Guy Fawkes night as people may say as well. If you don't celebrate it, happy 5th of November. So basically today what we're doing is, well, it's actually quite late, it's actually 5 o'clock in the evening. Basically I am going down to the park with my mum and dad, and we're going to be setting off fireworks. There's quite a few people that go down each year anyway with quite big fireworks and stuff, and we have some as well. We're going to be letting some off, so I thought I would just vlog the experience and give you maybe a little time lapse or some video footage of my mum and dad setting them off, and I'm quite excited for it. But first of all, I need to get my hair dried and put up or straightened, whatever I'm going to do with it. So anyway, I'll see you soon. My hair is now drying and I'm just about to straighten it. Oh my god. Oh. Wow. Oh. Yeah. Wow. Whoa. Okay. So I just got home now. I'm currently just going to head to my bed and watch Netflix or YouTube. I'm not quite sure yet. I had a great night. It wasn't as cold as I expected it to be, because I took some gloves with me and I didn't actually have to use them, which was quite good because it's usually really cold on Bonfire night. So the fireworks were actually quite a good success. But anyway, I'm going to leave you here now, and I'll see you next time. I'm not too sure when that'll be. It might be the Paisley Christmas light switch one, which is the 11th, I think, of November. Not too sure. I was actually meant to go to the Paisley fireworks display, but unfortunately that got cancelled due to the weather and the wind. It wasn't really the rain, I think it was just the wind. So it was something like 85 miles per hour winds. But anyway, I'll see you next time. Bye!